Mastering that and those demonstrative determiners uncovered. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to dive deep into the wonderful world of English grammar. Our focus? Demonstrative determiners. More specifically, we'll discuss and demystify the usage of that and those. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently using these determiners in your daily English conversations. Before we go further, let's understand what demonstrative determiners are. These are words that help us identify or point out specific things. In English, there are four primary demonstrative determiners: this, that, these, and those. Today, we will zero in on that and those. The word that is a demonstrative determiner we use to indicate something which is distant from the speaker in time or space. It's used before a singular noun. For example, you might say, "Do you remember that day?" when referring to a specific day in the past. Or, if you're pointing out a book on a shelf far away from you, you could say, "Can you pass me that book?" Now let's move on to those. Those is the plural counterpart of that. We use those to indicate specific things which are distant from the speaker in time or space, and it's used before plural nouns. For instance, if you're talking about some cookies on a far-off counter, you might say, "Can you pass me those cookies?" Or, if you're referring to days in the distant past, you might say, "Do you remember those days?" The primary difference between that and those is their number. That is used with singular nouns, while those is used with plural nouns. However, both refer to something or someone distant from the speaker, either physically or temporally. And that wraps up our discussion on the usage of that and those as demonstrative determiners. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to use these determiners in your daily conversations. I hope this video has been helpful, and you're now feeling more confident about using that and those. See you in the next video.